So if you're a person like me that has an iPhone and a Windows PC, you might find transferring photos from the phone to the computer difficult. So in this video, I'll be showing you 2 quick and easy ways to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC very easily. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video, as it helps us massively. So without further ado, let's start. So for the first method, you're gonna have to connect the phone to your PC via USB cable. Then you're gonna open up the files, click on this PC, Apple iPhone, open the folder, and there all these folders contain your photos. What you can do is copy all of them and transfer to your picture section or to the place you desire. So here is a photo of a dog that I copied from my iPhone to my PC. So for the second method, you're going to open the browser on your computer and search for PearDrop. As always, I'll have the links down in the description below to help you. Now you're gonna go to the top right corner and click on the pairing icon, and this will appear. This will be the code that you're gonna enter in your phone to link the computer to the iPhone. Now in your iPhone, you're going to open up Safari, open up PearDrop again, and click the same button on the top of the screen and enter the code that you have on your PC. After this, your devices will be linked to each other, and you can click on them and choose files or photos to transfer from your iPhone to your PC. Now I'm selecting this photo of the dog, and as before, I'm going to send it to my PC. Now go to your PC and accept the transfer, and the image will be downloaded instantly. Now to check the image, go to Files, Downloads, and click on the image. And there you have it. Now you can transfer photos from your iPhone to your PC.